In this tutorial, you will find out how to create a works cited page using NoodleTools. To find NoodleTools, launch your Chrome web browser and go to the Google Apps waffle in the top right-hand corner. Click on it. You will see one of your choices when you scroll down is NoodleTools. Everyone in the district has access. You just have to set up your account, which is what I'm going to show you how to do right now. If you've used NoodleTools before with a different teacher, then you probably already have this step completed and you already have your NoodleTools account. If that's the case, hang on and we'll get to the spot where you will be able to see where to create the citation. If you have this message on your screen, make sure it says Sherman Elementary and the year that you're expected to graduate from Rush Henrietta. It's the same number that you type in when you log into your Chromebook. That is your year of graduation. You save that profile, and then that will log you into NoodleTools and allow you to use the NoodleTools program. So for this particular tool, you have to create a new project for every assignment that you're given. So please don't mix this up with making a new project for each citation. Your citations for your assignment all go under the same project. So because I'm logging in for the first time, I'm going to create a new project and I'm going to give it a title. So it's going to be whatever your teacher tells you to call it. For my example, I'm going to use biography, PBA, and I'm going to put the month because I write a lot of PBAs. And so I want to know which one it is that I'm making. You always choose MLA and you always choose starter. And then you say submit. So now under my projects list, I will have a project for this PBA assignment. I'm just going to go back to projects for a second to show you that. So if I go to projects, I just clicked on projects up here. It's going to list all of the projects I've ever worked on. So this is the one that I just started. So whatever sources I go to, whether it's World Book or Pebble Go or Kids Info Bits or wherever I get my information from for this assignment, I'm only going to be adding to this project. I'm not going to create a new project for every citation that I find. So I'm going to go into my biography PBA, and then I'm going to go and add a source to that project. So I'm clicking on sources because if you'll notice in a second, I'll show you that I'm in the biography PBA for April because when it loads, it will say that. Okay, so in my sources, it says biography PBA April, and that's where I want to be. So now I'm going to add my source. So for this project, for example, I may have gone to the World Book Encyclopedia to add information or to get information about my topic. So that is a database, that is a reference source. And I'm going to use the quick cite copy and paste a citation to put my information in. Now I can go back to my tab in my World Book article, and I'm going to highlight the MLA citation for Sojourner Truth because that's the article that I read. So I'm going to make sure I highlight the whole MLA citation. I'm going to use Control C to copy the information. And I'm going to go back to my NoodleTools tab. I'm going to go into the box, the empty box here. I'll pull this up so you can see it. There we go. And in this box, I'm going to paste in my information that I just copied. And then I'm going to click Save. And this will start my works cited page. Now, if I go to a couple of other places to get information on my topic, I'm not going to go to new source. I'm going to just add another source. So I'm going to click on new source, making sure I'm under my biography PBA April. And then that will let me, if I click on that, I can again start over